How to change location on Tinder. Hello everyone, this is Reshma and welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you how you can change location on Tinder. Before getting started, please make sure you have a stable internet connection. First, you need to go to your Tinder application. Then this will lead to this kind of screen interface. On the bottom, you can locate different icons. From there, you have to tap on profile icon, as this will lead to my Tinder profile. On the top right corner, you can see setting icon. Go ahead and tap on it. If you scroll down, you can easily find location on discovery settings. Here it shows my current location. Tap on it and this type of interface will appear on my screen. Tap on add a new location, and this is a Tinder passport function which allows you to change location. However, it will cost you a subscription, so you have to pay for a subscription to change your location. Take the preferred subscription. Now you are good to go. And that is how you can easily change location on Tinder. If you have any doubt and queries related to this topic, you can simply ask us on the comment section. And this was it for this video. If you found this tutorial video informative and easy, do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. And also press the notification bell so you won't be missing any update from us.